Madam, PPT is visible? Okay, okay, okay. Madam, full screen it is? Okay. Good morning to all. Myself, Dr. Sajid Fakir Muhammad Sheikh, working as an assistant professor in chemistry at Anjuman Islam Janjira Degree College of Science, Morud Janjira, Raigad. Uh, it is very that opportunity got to me to present about the book, review on the book, particularly Shivrayanchi Yuddha Niti. I am first of all thanks to this particular UGC, HRDC, Mumbai University and BK Birla College to provide such a FIP faculty induction program. Very such a nice program is there. Uh, Today I am going to talk about this particular book. Book name is the Shivrayanchi Yuddha Niti. That nothing but the word strategy of the Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. The book is written by the Dr. Sachidananda Shevde and Durgesh Parulekar, and it is published by the that Now Chaitanya publication, Dr. Supriya Marathe, in December 2010. The book has the so many topics are there. The point to be highlighted here, I have make this particular point, the content of the book context, then the reflection from the book evaluation about the book, then I will talk about the language of the book, then the positive and the negative points from the book, then knowledge gain from the book. First of all, we will talk about the content of the book. The book has prehistory, that is the Purva Itihas, Swarajyache Toran, then the Shiv Samarth Bhet, then Afzal Khan and the Mantra Yuddha, then Khanacha Khatma, then शिवरायांची घोडदौड अँड दुहेरी संकट देन घोडखिंड पावन झाली दॅट विक्टरी ॲट द घोडखिंड बाय द शिवाजी महाराज जेन शाहिस्ते खानाकडे लक्ष देण्यापूर्वी शाहिस्ते खानास शास्त मीन्स शिवाजी महाराज पनिश टू दिस पर्टिक्युलर शाहिस्ते खान देन मिर्झा राजे जयसिंहाची स्वारी देन पुरंदराचा तह अँड शिवराय गोज टू द आग्रा देन शिवराय नजरकैदेतून पळाले then Shivrayanchi Yuddhaniti. These all part is covered under this particular book about the content. Then context wise, this book, the Shivaji Maharaj, especially not only in the Maharashtra district and not only in the Maharashtra, they are in the whole country, especially in our India, we are considering as a Aradhya Daivat. His that particular strategy of the war, and we can say their warfare, it is very much important to know us, their heroism. It is also very much important to know us, because at that time how the Shivaji Maharaj fight against that particular different shahis, it is very much important to know us. In that book the writer has focused on this particular Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. He tried to explain about the Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj's Yuddha Niti and then the Yuddha Shastra, as well as their Virvrutti, heroism. We should know these things. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल इन सर्वात पहिली गोष्ट म्हणजे शिवाजी राजे ज्या प्रदेशात युद्ध खेळले त्या प्रदेशाची त्यांना पूर्ण माहिती होती. वेअर द शिवाजी महाराज फायटेड, that place he knows very well, especially the Deccan area he chose. And in that, in the Deccan area there are the mountains and the rivers, and those that particular mountains are there, then the difficult routes are there. The Shivaji Maharaj studied that routes and the path well. Not only that, he plotted the graphs of that particular maps of that particular places also. And important thing is that for to carry the information and to know the information of that particular area, he has the spy, that nothing but the हेर खाते, that हेर खाते was there. अत्यंत सक्षम हेर खाते शिवाजी महाराजांकडे होते. Then how they built this Swarajya, and how they fighted for to get the Swarajya. There's time management, समय सूचकता, then कुशल सेनानी, शत्रूवर मात करण्याची पद्धती. All these aspects are well studied and explained in the books, particularly Shivarajanची युद्धनीती. Then what are reflected from this book? Reflection from this book is nothing but the first point is छत्रपती शिवाजी महाराजांसारखा सावध राज्यकर्ता आजही देशाला हवा आहे. He was the very alert that particular governor. Then आजही त्यांच्या युद्धनीती जाणून घेण्याची आपल्याला गरज आहे. How their strategy of the war was there, we should know today, it is required. देन शिवरायांना त्या काळात सर्व शाहींना पायाखाली दाबून स्वराज्याची निर्मिती केली. इट इज व्हेरी मच वेल सेड दॅट देर वॉज अ डिफरंट शाही वेन यू पास बाय चेंजिंग द 10 kilometer or say 15 kilometer, there was a different that particular Gharane Shahi was there, and Shivaji Maharaj destroys that all the Gharane Shahis and build a Swarajya. Then with this that particular with the help of their military and the force, they have for the benefit of their Maula, they were giving that whatever the fort which are with them, they were giving to that particular in the that we can say the Tahat. Tahat is nothing but in the agreement. In the agreement, they were giving that particularly fort to the that particular enemy, so as to in the beneficiary of their Maula. Then next. The Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj was the महान सेनानी, we can say एक महान सेनानी होते. छत्रपती शिवाजी महाराजांनी आपल्या कल्पकतेने आणि शौर्याने एक नवीन राज्य निर्माण केले, as we all know, because the history of the Shivaji Maharaj is all of knowing. Then the very much important way of fighting with the enemy is the Ganimi Kawa. The name Ganimi Kawa is nothing but the guerrilla warfare. That guerrilla warfare is introduced by the Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. That is nothing but the hidden attack on the enemy. These are the few points which are highlighted from this particular book, or reflected from the book. Then about the evaluation of the book, I can say the writer has focused on the various aspect of the Shivaji Maharaj with well studied, and from this book we can know the how the war strategy of the Shivaji Maharaj was, and it is very much important to that particularly build our nation and to save our nation. It is very much essential. या पुस्तकातून जे काही शिवाजी महाराजांचे विविध पैलूंवर जो प्रकाश टाकलेला आहे, या विविध प्रकरणातून आपल्याला त्यांचे युद्धशास्त्र तसेच राष्ट्र उभारणी आणि राष्ट्राचं जतन करण्यासाठी त्यांच्या युद्धशास्त्राची आवश्यकता आहे. Then about the title, title is very much suitable. Whatever the explain under the book to that content, that title is very much suitable. In the particular book, या पुस्तकामध्ये छत्रपती शिवाजी महाराजांनी स्वराज्य निर्मितीसाठी केलेल्या प्रत्येक कार्याची मांडणी विविध प्रकरणाद्वारे अत्यंत योग्य शब्दात करण्यात आली आहे. सदर पुस्तकात लेखकाद्वारे देण्यात आलेले शीर्षक अगदी उचित आहे. त्यानंतर about this language of the book, the language of the book is also very nice. Well Marathi it is written, very simple Marathi it is there, one can easily read and one can easily understand. In then the what are the positive and the negative thoughts in the some books, we can find that the visit of the Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, that made a meeting with the Samarth Ramdas and Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. It is the complicated point here. The writer has given that particular evidence for this particular meet of the Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj and the Samarth Ramdas. Then again the some advice given by the Samarth Ramdas, which has been followed by the Shivaji Maharaj. Shivaji Maharaj was following to this particular that Samarth Ramdas. Then first the in that earlier days, you know, the Mughal, that particular Mughal was there in the India, and to fight against this particular Mughal, the Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj came and fight against this particular Mughal, and also not only the Mughal, there was the Sardar also, there was the Raja also, different in the different area. As I said, different Raja was there to overcome to this and to fight against them and to build one nation with the freedom, full freedom. That particular Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj did a lot with their particular that guerrilla the guerrilla warfare like, and build a own nation. This book is very much the knowledge gained from the book. This books gives दॅट पर्टिक्युलर स्ट्रॅटेजी ऑफ द वॉरफेअर. या पुस्तकात केवळ युद्धासंबंधी माहितीच नाही, तर त्याचा हेतू, महान लोकांचा प्रभाव, त्या काळाचे विश्लेषण आणि त्यानुसार घेतलेल्या निर्णयांचा समावेश आहे. हे पुस्तक वाचल्यानंतर आजच्या तरुण पिढीला छत्रपती शिवाजी महाराजांच्या राष्ट्रभक्ती, धर्मनिष्ठा, नैतिकता आणि पौरुषत्वाची ओळख नक्कीच होईल. इट इज द बुक इज नॉट ओनली गिव्हिंग द इन्फॉर्मेशन अबाउट that war strategy. It also helps to the youth to how be the that we can say the how the our attitude toward the nation should be, and how we have to follow our own religion according to that particular things. All the aspects of the Shivaji Maharaj we can get from this book. I can say these are the my book review point, and here I will stop. Thank you. हां, या पुस्तकात असं होतं, की जो शिवसमर्थ जी भेट होती, त्याच्याबद्दल काही एक वाद होते ना, त्या वादासाठी त्यांचं पत्र आहे. ते पत्राचा यात उल्लेख केलेला आहे त्यांनी. हां, हां, हां. ते काही वाद आहेत, बरेच वाद आहेत. पण ह्यांनी जो रेफरन्स दिलेला. हां, सर मॅडम बोला. हां, हां. हां, हां, हां. हं, हं, हं. येस, येस, येस. पण मॅडम ह्या बुकमध्ये ना, ह्या बुकमध्ये समर्थांची जी आहे ना, जन्म वर्ष 1608 सांगितलेलं आहे आणि शिवाजी महाराजांचं 1630 दाखवलेलं आहे. हां, हां. हां, हां. हां, हां. हां, हां, हां. येस, येस, येस. Yes, yes, yes. Too much controversy is there. In the different books, the different things are there, right, madam? Yes, yes, yes. He was just delivering the lecture about the Shivaji Maharaj. After that, he got the inspiration to write the book. Yes, yes, yes. Yes. The language of the book, I said here there are the so many controversy point are there. Whatever he has written, there is a challenge for this. But from the that positive point I said from the book, not the negative point of that book. So many negative points are there because I am not also the historian. No, that's why I have the limitation to overcome such a points. Okay, Divya madam has to. Yes, sir. Yes. Okay, okay, madam. Thank you, madam. Yes, yes, ma'am. Thank you, madam. Yes, yes, sir. Yes, sir. Damodar, sir. Uh, Yes, yes. But I come to the positive point what I gain. I am not going in the negative point of that book. So many negative points are there from my side also, because I am listening to all of these, and I am attending the so many functions. I know very well. But though that the I have to say in front of you the positive points, I have to focus on the Shivaji Maharaj only. Whoever may be the writer, that doesn't matter. Yes, yes. But today is the Jayanti of Jijau. First of all, we will put our gratitude towards the Jija Mata, because today is the Jayanti of Jija Mata, and the Youth Day is there also. I forgot to say that. Yes, yes. Okay, okay, okay. Shoaib sir, Shoaib sir. Shoaib sir is there.